Do you give him credit for starting it all?
He did not.
You had a comment about that earlier.
Yes, he did not start it all. At that point, alam na ng mga tao na may mga problema sa flood control anomalies. Alam na nila na maraming magnanakaw sa DPWH. Sinabi lang niya yun para siya yung mabigyan ng credit. But like this, as I have said and as the people have said, hindi siya yung, wala talaga siyang ginagawa doon. He's not doing anything. It's been months. Tapos wala pang nakukulong. Wala pang yung investigation tuwing may magsabi ng Martin Romualdez. Yun yung i-investigahan nila, imbes na si Martin Romualdez. Kaya wala talagang tiwala yung mga tao sa administrasyon ni President Marcos at alam nilang hindi makukulong si Martin Romualdez habang si Marcos ang presidente ngayon.
So itong ganitong mga pronouncements mo, yan siguro yung basis no why they think it is enough to construe inciting to sedition.
Yes, because
ganun ba yun? Oo.
But I'm not I speak for the people's sentiments. Ito ang nakita ko na sinasabi ng mga ordinaryong tao, ng mga mamamayang wala nang tiwala sa gobyerno ngayon. And if that is inciting to sedition, then I will willingly go to jail for that and be imprisoned. Kasi yun talaga ang nakikita ng mga tao. At kung lahat ng magsasabi nun ay inciting to sedition, edi mauubos na tayo sa Pilipinas. We'll run out of citizens if we were to say that because everyone is saying the exact same thing. Martin Romualdez is close to President Marcos, and as long as he is close to President Marcos, he will never go to jail or face justice for